What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today I have for you a clean with me in my apartment. Many of you guys have been requesting it since I moved, so I figured with the new year I wanted to declutter and just start the new year fresh. So today's video is going to be focused on organizing, decluttering, and just getting rid of things that I won't need and that I've just been hoarding a lot. As always, starting with a face mask, I'm using the new Peter Thomas Roth mask. This is the Water Drenched Cloud Mask, and it is currently fizzing up and bubbling in my face. This mask, guys, is honestly top 5 in my list. It's so moisturizing and hydrating. It has left my skin flawless lately. That being said, mask on and some music. Alright, so like I mentioned, this video is going to be focused on decluttering and organizing for the new year. I already started by taking my Christmas tree down, which if you want to see how I store and organize that, I'll link it down below for you guys. But right now I'm just folding and putting away clothes that are on my couch. I know many of you guys are going to ask me about a studio or apartment tour, and that's coming real soon. As soon as I figure out my wall situation, I really need some wall decor. But for now, just watch me clean away. To clean my table and many things in my apartment, I like using Endust. I've mentioned this before, and it's honestly one of my favorite cleaning products ever, especially in my new apartment because it collects so much dust. So I definitely use that, and then right now I'm just being my OCD self, trying to organize my coasters a specific way. I don't know. Don't mind me. So I'll be making an Amazon favorites real soon, but this is one of my random favorites. They're cleaning slippers, and I've also been obsessed with my robot vacuum. This thing just works magic. I love it so much, especially for, again, my dusty apartment and my rug. These are all like Christmas tree randomness. But now onto my closet. I am going to be cleaning and organizing and also decluttering at the same time all my makeup and products that I have right here. I constantly like going through my products, especially because I get so much PR, so I'm just organizing and getting rid of things that I may not want or things that I like to give to friends and family. Onto my clothing rack. I'm just going to be organizing, maybe getting rid of things or putting some in my closet, as well as moving around the hangers. And then my shoe shelf, this is really going to be like deep decluttering. I'm going to be getting rid of shoes that I don't use anymore, or my summer shoes. I'm going to be putting them away for now. But I'm also going to be cleaning the whole shoe shelf. I know I'm going to get a bunch of questions as to where my shoe shelves are from. They're from Target, but I honestly haven't seen them in a few years now. I really need 2 new ones, to be honest with you. But right now I'm just going to be cleaning, like I mentioned. I also like using these wipes to disinfect my shoes, especially the bottom of my shoes. I'm just going to be organizing them by color and putting one front and one back. As you can see right over here, I'm just struggling with my boots, so I had to move around these shelves. I'm going to be putting my mid-length boots right here. In the shelf below, I organized my clutches, and since I got rid of so many shoes, I was able to put some cubes in the one below it with more organizing stuff. But moving on to the top, as you can see, my purses are quite dirty. I'm telling you guys, my apartment is a dust collector, so I'm just organizing and cleaning that again. I know many of you guys probably already know this, but for my bigger purses, I like to stuff them with tissue paper, that way they don't lose their shape. And then I went ahead and started decluttering and organizing my perfume collection. Now onto my office, just kidding, my little section where I keep my computer and desk. I'm going to be organizing, decluttering my way as I go. By the way, if you guys have some tips on how I can hide my wires, please let me know in the comments below because it really stresses me out. So I actually filmed this video on 2 different days because it honestly takes me a long time to declutter, like actually declutter. Today I'm going to be tackling my summer clothes, and this is how I kept them organized in just these like plastic bags, but I wanted some under the bed rolly organizer things, and those I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm going to try my best to link them down below for you guys, but if not, try to find them in store. I'm now going to go through each item and declutter and just get rid of things that I know I'm not going to use by this upcoming summer. Now onto organizing it in the bin. I like to roll them or fold them flat, and then I also like using these Dawny Sheets just because whenever you store things, especially clothes, they sometimes just get to smell differently, so by the time that I use them again, it smells fresh and clean. I also like using these Dawny Sheets whenever I travel. Now just rolling them under my bed. I am seriously obsessed with these. I feel like everyone needs it, especially if you live in a studio or you just want to store things. It's a really great spacious way to do it, and it looks like there's nothing under my bed. So moving on to my room or bed section, I'm going to be organizing it and fixing my bed. On to the kitchen. This has to be kind of sort of my least favorite part, so I'm just going to fast forward this and just watch me clean. Last part for me to clean is my dining area, so I'm just going to be picking up some things and putting it away. I want to quickly mention that it was a little hard moving the camera around. It is my first time doing a clean with me, so I hope you guys still like it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to continue seeing more clean with me's in my new place. Alright, so here is the finished look. I can't wait to finish my apartment, to finally do an apartment tour. I know I'm going to get a bunch of questions as to the furniture. That's coming real soon, but thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!
Más blanco que la nariz de todos lados. Somebody's taking care of all of the mess I made. Someone will love you, let me go. Cuando yo la vi, está dura, 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 dura. I did it! I came to the party!